At T&H Realty Services, we believe in transparency. We want you to know exactly what to expect when partnering with us. That means having open conversations about the key aspects of our management approach, both the benefits and the realities. Today, we have 8 points to cover. Number 1, our pricing. Transparency around pricing is key. We make our fee structure simple and easy to understand, ensuring you know exactly where your money is going. No surprises, just clarity. Number 2, applicant approval. When it comes to approving applicants, we take that responsibility seriously. We screen and approve potential residents based on our rigorous criteria. In order to stay compliant with all fair housing laws, our leasing team makes all approval or denial decisions. We will involve you if the applicant is seeking to negotiate any lease term. Number 3, maintenance requests. We handle all maintenance requests under $500 without prior approval, but every detail is documented and available in your owner portal. We don't cut corners. Instead, we work with reliable, efficient contractors who ultimately save you money by completing the repair the right way. Number 4, emergency maintenance. For emergencies, we take immediate action to protect your asset and will notify you as soon as possible. Number 5, vendor discount program. We've worked hard over the years to assemble the very best vendors in our market who provide our clients with discounted pricing. Some of our vendors offer us an additional discount for timely payment and for the volume of work we provide. We retain this discount to help compensate our staff for coordinating maintenance. Number 6, financial preparedness. If disaster strikes, a major repair, an unexpected eviction, or an extensive turnover, do you have the funds to cover it? Planning for these scenarios is crucial to long-term success as an investor, and we encourage all of our clients to either open up a line of credit or reserve at least 6 months of rent to pay for these unexpected repairs. Number 7, property condition. The condition of your property matters. We require all homes to meet all health and safety guidelines and maintain at least a BC+ standard. Well-maintained properties attract better residents, reduce costly vacancies, and help avoid costly legal action. Number 8, inflation. The cost of labor and materials has risen drastically in recent years. It's important to educate yourself on the current costs of repairing and maintaining a property. We have great resources on our website. If you can't find them, just ask. At T&H Realty Services, we manage your property with the same diligence and care as we manage our own. Thank you for watching, and again, don't hesitate to reach out with any questions you may have.